Hi, this is Beatrice with Baked Deco, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make black buttercream. With these 3 simple ingredients, you'll be able to achieve that rich, dark black buttercream color. We're going to start off by preparing our buttercream. I'm going to be using Satin Ice Buttercream Icing Mix, Bright White Vanilla flavor. So I have it all set up here in my bowl, and I'm going to start mixing with my paddle attachment. Whenever you're doing an icing, you want to make sure that you use a paddle attachment just to avoid whipping too much air into your buttercream. I'm going to start by adding my butter. I'm adding 1 full stick of butter for 2 pounds of buttercream icing mix. Next, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of water. And this is going to achieve a softer buttercream, which we want when we are icing cupcakes. You want a softer, fluffier buttercream. I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I like to pulse it just so the cocoa powder doesn't fly everywhere. And mix on low until your cocoa powder is kind of mixed into your buttercream, and then you can put it on high. Now that we've achieved our chocolate buttercream, we're going to start out by adding a few drops of black, and then we'll continue to add more black until we reach that dark color that we're looking for. So as you can see, our buttercream is at a very dark gray. We're almost at that black color, but not yet. So we're gonna add a little bit more color gel. And if you let this sit in the fridge overnight, any dark color will deepen by the next day within a couple hours. But if you're in a rush, you can always pop this in the microwave and you'll get that deep color right away. So we're gonna add a few more drops. After allowing this to set in the refrigerator for a few hours or a day, this will be the end result. It's going to be a rich, dark, black buttercream.